Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your M-Audio Oxygen Pro 61. First, connect your Oxygen Pro 61 to your computer using the provided USB cable. This single cable handles both data and power. If you are using a USB hub with multiple devices, a powered hub is recommended to ensure stable performance. Always power on your keyboard before opening your digital audio workstation for optimal recognition. Next, it's time to get your software. Head over to the M-Audio website and register your Oxygen Pro 61 using its serial number. Once registered, you can download the M-Audio software manager from your account. This manager allows you to install valuable bundled software, including MPC Beats, Ableton Live Lite, and several AIR virtual instruments, expanding your creative possibilities right away. Now, let's integrate your controller with your digital audio workstation. With your Oxygen Pro 61 powered on, launch your preferred DAW. Go into your DAW's preferences or settings, usually under a MIDI or Control Surfaces section. Here, select the Oxygen Pro 61 as both a MIDI input and a control surface. Finally, press and hold the DAW button on your Oxygen Pro to select your specific DAW from its display menu. To get the most out of your Oxygen Pro 61, regularly check for firmware updates on the M-Audio website. Dive into its powerful features, like the 16 velocity-sensitive pads and 8 assignable knobs and faders, offering extensive control. Experiment with smart chord and smart scale modes to effortlessly generate musical phrases. For any advanced configurations or troubleshooting, consult the detailed user manual for comprehensive guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.